Hello everyone, I'm Adnan. I hope everyone is quite well. So today I'm going to show you how to calculate, how to estimate cost using high and low method. So today's topic estimating cost. So today I'm going to show you how you can calculate a fixed cost, variable cost using high and low method. So this is the question and this is the requirement. Okay. So first one for calculating for estimating cost using high and low method, what you need to find. First, you need to calculate variable cost per unit. So first step, identify high and low activity level. So from this, then you have to calculate variable cost per unit. So in this chart, in this table, you can find out in October 25 October in October highest activity level observed noted. So I'm going to highlight it with yellow, and then what I'm going to find out, then I'm going to find out lowest activity level perform uh, during the whole year. So I need to know in which month most lowest activity level performed. So you can see that in August lowest activity level performed. So I'm going to highlight it with red. For convenience, I'm going to change it to okay. So now I'm going to calculate variable cost using a formula. So this is going to be the formula. Highest cost minus lowest cost, highest activity minus lowest activity. So I'm going to use this formula. for calculating variable cost. So now let's calculate highest cost is equal to 125 minus, sorry, highest cost 550 minus lowest cost 3750 divided 125 minus 17. So let's calculate. $1,800 so 1,800 divided by 55 divided 55. So 1,800 divided by 55 is going to be 32.727. So this is the variable cost per unit. Now let's calculate total fixed cost. For calculating total fixed cost, you need to use the equation to so for okay, sorry, so I'm going for the convenience to answer. Okay, one, highest activity level is equal to 125, lowest activity level 17. Now let's calculate total fixed cost. So let's calculate total fixed cost. So total fixed cost is going to be for calculating total for fixed cost we need to use this formula. So total cost is equal to total cost fixed cost plus variable cost. So fixed cost how much? Variable cost. So suppose if you want to calculate fixed cost using low method, so I will take 70. Then I am going to multiply it with this number, and then I'm going to uh, include total cost here. So total cost is equal to 3750. Fixed cost is equal to fixed cost plus 32.727 into 32.727 into 70. So this is variable cost. So fixed cost is equal to 3750 minus so fixed cost is equal to 1459. Okay, so now three number three non question on fixed cost is and this is So now I'm going to formulate the total cost equation, which is another requirement of the question. So let's calculate, formulate the total cost equation, which is 1459 plus 32 727 into number of cakes. So this is the answer of question number 4. That's all for today. So thank you all for from Adnan for keep watching my videos, and if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and press like, and that's all. Thank you.